Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to copy comments on Instagram. So actually it is a little bit tricky. I'm using Android, I'm using a Xiaomi brand, and it's supposed to be similar method if you are using another phone. So first you open your Instagram, of course, and then see the comments. For instance, I will copy these comments. Okay, so what you have to do, you take a screenshot on your screen and then open the image, and then you crop on specific particular comment you want to copy like this, and then instead of click check on the right upper, you click this share button. You click share button, and then find on the listed below, find Google search image, this one. Okay, this tutorial is very simple. This very simple tutorial, I hope it's able for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.